understanding your performance with Google Analytics. To make the right campaign decisions, it's important to have the right information. Get access to this information by enabling Google Analytics, a free tool that lets you see how people are finding and using your website. Setting up Google Analytics on your site, then linking it to Google Ads is a one-time operation. Just paste a tracking ID on your web hosting service or edit the code on your website. Then, Google Ads will start using in-depth analytics about your visitors' actions and time spent on your website to understand the impact of your ads better. It will use this data to identify the types of customers that are more likely to take actions on your website and make sure your ads reach those first. Get started today. Check out our article linked in the description below for more information.